As part of efforts to promote practical learning for public school students, the Suleja Literary Society has taken students from 5 schools in Suleja, Niger State on an excursion to the National Assembly in Abuja. The initiative was aimed at exposing the young learners to real-life governance processes beyond the 4 walls of the classroom. Our correspondent, Victoria Yorinde, reports.
It was a moment of excitement for secondary school students from 5 public schools in Suleja, as they toured the National Assembly complex in Abuja, an opportunity many of them had never imagined. For the Suleja Literary Society, this is part of its contributions to humanity and a push to strengthen the education system, especially in undeserved public schools. Co-founder of the society, Fatima Adamu, says the inspiration comes from a passion to bridge the gap between theoretical learning and practical exposure. She explains that many public school students rarely experience the practical side of social studies and civic education, and the excursion is a way of giving back to the community.
We realize that there is a gap between private schools and public schools. Some from public schools find it hard to get the exposure, and aside that, learning in the classrooms can feel tiring. And then we say, why not bring out these students, filling the little gap that they have, bringing them out of a local community like Suleja to the capital. Let them come see how these legislative processes are being done. So that is why we're here at the National Assembly, to get to engage with the legislators and just have a feel. And in that bid, they are learning. So students studying government civic education, they can now understand the different tiers of government, arms of government. The two can be contrasting and sometimes confusing, but being in it, practicalizing and seeing the difference will help you while writing your exams. It will stick more. So normally a public school wouldn't get the opportunity to go out, because they're even trying hard to see that they are able to get some materials, basic learning materials. So that's why we are concentrating more on the public schools.
Also speaking, co-founder Mohammed Adam says the goal is to familiarize the students with the activities of the National Assembly and help them develop a clearer understanding of legislative functions and democratic governance.
What we want to achieve is an informed society and a reset of the mind. We want them to have a new experience. We don't want them to be so limited to what they have been taught in class, maybe maths, English, civic education, all of this. They should go out and actually see how these things happen, what you understand. These people out there are just like them. So if they can start seeing these things, they have been exposed to all of these things, they can build up their mind to actually see themselves tomorrow, to actually take over from these people when they retire.
For the students, the experience was both enlightening and inspiring. Many described the tour as an eye-opener that broadened their understanding of how laws are made and how the legislature works for national development.
I've learned about the lawmakers, how they execute the law, how they perform, and it's really interesting.
We have learned so many things, such as they explain the difference between the upper house and also the lower house, and also they differentiate us between the the lower bracket and the higher bracket. So they explain it to us. They show us so many things that we acknowledge more about it.
I learned that the National Assembly, they practice bicameral legislatures. We have the Senate, the Senate and the House of Representatives.
The Suleja Literary Society is calling on government agencies, private organizations, and other stakeholders to collaborate in supporting public education. The group believes that such interventions can help improve learning standards and provide young Nigerians with the exposure they need to thrive. The excursion may have lasted just a day, but for these students, the lessons learned will remain for a lifetime. The Suleja Literary Society is hopeful that more stakeholders will join hands in ensuring that quality education and the practical exposure that comes with it remains accessible to every child. From Abuja, Victoria Ayomide, reporting for Captain TV.